Hi, my name is Mohd Ashif Khan. I belong from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I did my BTech in Electrical Electronics Engineering, and after my graduation, I researching for the job. And one of my colleague told about the eVision. I researched about the company and found that there are the CCNA courses. So I completed my CCNA courses at eVision, and today I will share my experience about the eVision and the learning path. So here is the most important thing I observed is like that there's a hands-on experience you do whatever you learn here, and the theory as well as the practical you can do there, and you have a well structured top of all the topics, and they cover all the topics whether it's a basic or advanced topics. They can listen your each and every problems and clear all the concepts. They have a interactive environment of learning. All the students very interactive, and they will the teachers will give a feedback on assignment, and we will also give a feedback to the teachers on their teaching style, and if there's any improvement, both we can do improve our classes. But the teachers are really great on knowledge because they have experience of 8 years, 2 years, 12 years of experience, and they have a great learning. They can provide their experience in this course, and it will continuously improve my ability to crack the any interview. They all provide the question answer also, and they just clear all the concept before the interview also, and they also work upon the your development skills as well as your communication. And yes, after all this thing, I'm ready for the for the interview, and I got cleared over one MNC company, which is Microland, and got a placement there at a 2.8 LPA. I would like to thanks to the eVision to make me believer myself, and to get a job in reputed company. Thank you so much.